Bruxism is the unconscious grinding of teeth, involving forces up to 10 times higher than those normally used to chew your food. It can occur in the waking hours, where you might have a chance of controlling it, if you are aware of it, but it also occurs in our sleep, and it's proven to be nearly impossible to reduce this manifestation of the problem. It results in abnormal wear patterns on the teeth, periodontal breakdown, and joint or neuromuscular problems, etc. A disaster for your dental health, independent of the dental hygiene you strive to maintain.